What if you could live to 150? Sound crazy? Well, it might not be as far-fetched as you think. Thanks to groundbreaking advances in medicine, genetics, and anti-aging technologies, the idea of living far beyond the typical human lifespan is becoming more and more possible. In fact, it's already happening. Let's dive into the science behind how we might soon be able to live to 150 and beyond. For centuries, humans have dreamed of extending life. Ancient texts are filled with myths of immortality, and while we haven't quite unlocked the secret to eternal life yet, the medical community is making significant strides in that direction. So what's changed in recent years? Well, for one, scientists have begun to understand the biological mechanisms behind aging itself. The key lies in understanding how our cells age and what makes them deteriorate over time. Telomeres play a crucial role in the aging process. These protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes shorten each time a cell divides. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes senescent or dies. By studying telomeres, scientists are uncovering ways to slow down or even reverse this process. Epigenetics is all about how our genes are expressed, influenced by lifestyle and environmental factors. By understanding these mechanisms, scientists hope to manipulate gene expression to promote longevity. Gene editing, on the other hand, allows for precise changes to DNA, potentially eliminating genetic diseases and extending lifespan. It's an exciting frontier in the quest for extreme longevity. Let me introduce you to something called CRISPR. It works like a pair of molecular scissors, cutting out problematic DNA and replacing it with healthier versions. Early experiments in animals have already shown that gene editing can extend lifespan and improve health. Some researchers are even hopeful that we could one day use CRISPR to reverse aging in humans. But we're not just talking about tinkering with cells and genes. Scientists are also exploring regenerative medicine, which could radically change how we think about aging. Imagine growing new organs in a lab, or even regenerating damaged ones inside your own body. In fact, scientists have already used stem cells to regrow tissues in mice, and they're looking at how to apply that to humans. The dream of replacing worn-out body parts with brand new ones could soon be a reality. Next, let's delve into the groundbreaking world of stem cells and their potential for organ regeneration. It's a field that's rapidly evolving and holds incredible promise for the future of medicine. Not too long ago, these ideas were merely the fodder of science fiction. But today, they are quickly becoming reality. With stem cells, we can potentially regrow any organ in the body. The key is using autologous stem cells, which are cells taken from your own body, to reduce the risk of rejection. We've already seen promising results in lab animals, and human trials are on the horizon. In the next few decades, it's entirely possible that age-related organ failure will be a thing of the past. And what about brain health? You know, keeping that sharp mind as you get older? Well, scientists are working on that too. A major area of research involves neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which are often associated with aging. But with new drugs and even deep brain stimulation therapies, there's hope that we could prevent or even reverse these diseases, allowing us to keep our brains healthy for much longer. Studies are already showing that people in their 80s and 90s can maintain cognitive function much longer than ever before, thanks to advancements in these fields. As these technologies improve, it's not just about adding more years to our lives. It's about adding more quality years too. The concept of health span is becoming as important as lifespan. Longer lifespans are already happening. In fact, the number of centenarians, people who live to 100 or older, has skyrocketed in the past century. And it's not just about living longer, but about living better. People are staying healthier, more active and mentally sharp well into their hundreds. But with all the technology we have today, we might be able to push that limit even further. Maybe, just maybe, 150 is within reach. We might be on the verge of a new era in human longevity. Advances in medicine, genetics, and technology are coming together to make the idea of living to 150 not just possible, but likely. So what does this mean for the future of humanity? The potential for us to live longer, healthier lives could fundamentally change how we think about aging, retirement, and even the entire human experience. So, what do you think? Are we on the cusp of a revolution in human longevity? Or is this all just science fiction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because who knows? Maybe you'll be around to watch the next one in another 50 years. Thanks for watching.